Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to change card colors in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your account. And if you don't already have a Trello account, all you need to do is to connect with your Gmail or Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and create an account. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So after you successfully open or you connect to your Trello workspace, you will find this view. So basically, this is my boards view in my Trello web application, and of course, this is my boards list. So we need to go to a board so we can change the color of our cards. To reach your boards, either you can go to your board section and choose a board, or you can get it from boards, and here you will find your boards. So I'm going to click on this board and I'm going to add a card, and name it change color, so I can show you how to change its color. So basically this is uncolored or without a color board or card, and now I'm going to change its color. To do so, either you can give it a label or change a cover. To edit a label, you are going to give it a color like that. So as you can see now, this is our label color. Otherwise, you can give it a cover, and this cover will be a color in this way, in this method. Now we are coloring our uh, cards, and as you can see, there are two size of colors or covers. Either this semi size, as you can see, it is only a color in the top, or we can color the whole card. So now I'm going just to save, and as you can see, now I have changed the whole color, or I have colored my whole card. And of course, now you can change the colors by changing its cover and give it any color that you want, and you will find your card that has been changed color. Or you can just click on your card and you will have this extended view or more detailed view, and you can change the cover from here and click on cover and give it any color that you want. So either you give it a navy color, blue, green, magenta, or whatever color you want, and you will just close and it will be saved automatically. So basically this is how you can change the color of your cards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.